Do you know that 20% of kitchen waste ended up in landfills? This means that kitchen waste can give negative impacts if it is not properly managed, such as if food goes to the landfills and rots, it produces methane gas, which is a greenhouse gas that is even more potent than carbon dioxide, proving that it is dangerous to the human health. So, what steps can we take to lessen our kitchen waste leading to the landfills and as well as minimizing its gloomy impact?
As a conversation starter, let us explain briefly about the meaning of green technology. Green technology refers to a type of technology that is considered environmentally friendly based on its production process or clean energy production. Green technology is related to clean technology, which specifically refers to products or services that improve operational performance while also reducing costs, energy consumption, waste, or negative effects on the environment. It is an umbrella term that describes the use of the technology science, development, and application of products, equipment, and systems to preserve the environment and nature while minimizing or reducing the negative impacts of human activities. Green technology encompasses a wide area of scientific research, including energy, atmospheric science, agriculture, material science, and hydrology. Many green technologies aim to reduce emissions of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in order to prevent global issues such as climate change. There are many objectives to green technology, but its foremost objective is to protect and preserve the environment, such as efficient use of power, reducing waste, limiting the use of hazardous materials, creating eco-friendly products, sustainability, promoting tools that reduce resource consumption in indirect ways, and lowering maintenance costs while improving quality and increasing the life cycle of products. In terms of benefits, green technology is able to provide to not only our environment but also for us humans. One of the benefits is that it can reduce businesses or monthly expenses for your house. For instance, solar power is one of the most successful green technology and is now cheaper to deploy than fossil fuels in many countries. Technologies such as solar panels can reduce the amount of expenses since it uses light energy to make electricity. Another benefit is facilitating eco-friendly agriculture. The consumption of water is a great concern in agriculture, so green technology such as hydroponics can reduce the amount of water used. According to National Green Technology Policy, any system, apparatuses, or products that meet the requirements specified as green technology is by containing this criteria, can minimize environmental degradation, has low or zero release of greenhouse gases, safe to use, as well as promote healthier and better surroundings for all living things, efficient use of energy and natural resources, encourage the usage of renewable resources. So for our project, we have planned to take sensible steps to apply green technology in our everyday life. Our team will discuss about alternative energies and promote a green technology that uses organic waste to produce an eco-enzyme that can be used to clean the floors of your house. We chose this method as cleaning agents are commonly used in households, so this method not only keeps the environment more sustainable, but also can save your monthly expenses. This green technology consists of materials and apparatuses that can easily be found at home. Not only is it easy to obtain the materials, the process to make the product is also simple. Therefore, some of you may know, kitchen waste can leave a negative impact to our environment and can also be a waste of money. As the human population continues to grow, there is an increase in the amount of kitchen waste. Therefore, our environment slowly deteriorates. One of the ways to prevent kitchen waste is the use of green technology. Green technology is the development and use of products, equipment, and systems that can minimize or lessen the negative effects of human activity while protecting the environment and nature. It is also referring to communal actions taken to preserve the environment in order to live a better lifestyle. An example of green technology is solar energy, which I have explained before. It converts light to electricity. It can be used for building lighting. Another example is the collection of rainwater catchment systems, which may then be used to flush toilets or water plants. I have finished the introduction. Now, moving on.
So, the purpose of this project is to prevent food wastage by recycling kitchen waste and producing eco-enzyme for home by using a specific method.
My name is Cornelius. So today I'm going to tell our audience about the list of material and apparatus that we use in our experiment to produce our own coenzyme. Firstly, we use 100 grams of brown sugar, 3 grams of yeast, and a sieve. Sieve was used to separate our coenzyme solution from the solid material. We also use plastic bottle to store the warm water. Our main material that we use in this experiment to produce the coenzyme is lemon and orange peels.
Apart from that, how much is the total cost to produce 1 liter of coenzyme? Approximately, the total cost is 3 ringgit, which consists of 100 grams of brown sugar and 3 grams of yeast. Then, waste materials such as orange and lemon peels are free since they can be obtained from the kitchen. Next, 1 liter of warm water and plastic bottles are readily prepared. So, what are the steps to create this green product? Firstly, put all ingredients into a plastic bottle. Second, close the cap and shake the bottle vigorously for the minute until the brown sugar dissolves. Open the cap to release the pressure. Third, for 2 weeks, let out the gas produced at least 3 times a day. Next, put the bottle in a place where the temperature is about 35 degrees Celsius, such as in a cabinet. After 2 weeks, filter the solution to remove the lemon and the lemon zest. Lastly, keep the filtered solution in airtight container. There you go, you have made your own coenzyme that can save the environment.
Next, the coenzyme that we successfully produce has its own cons. We encountered that after using it to clean the floor of our house, it is found a little greasy, but it still managed to get the job done without staining the floor. From our point of view, we believe that the cause of this happening is because of the utensils that we use to filter the coenzyme were oily. To summarize, the step-by-step improvement is by ensuring the foods used to sieve the mixture were not greasy. Other than that, we must also use clean containers to store the solution to avoid any impurities mixing with the coenzyme. Also, ensure that the kitchen waste does not make contact on any oily surface or ingredients. If you want to produce a better product, we can add pure lemon or orange juice if we want to have a nice smell. After 2 weeks of carrying out the preparation process by complying all of the steps, we have achieved our goal whereby we want to create our own house cleaning agent.
This is our task schedule. This represents what our roles were for our project. And this is the collaborative. This is a picture of us discussing our project, and this is like the end of it. Yeah.
So in the end, we managed to achieve the objective of this project, which is recycling kitchen waste and producing eco-enzyme for home users. However, the coenzyme that we produce has some drawbacks, such as the flour that we clean using the coenzyme are found a little bit greasy. So far, only this is the problem that we notice from our environmentally friendly product. In conclusion, as a person that loves the earth, yep, I love the earth, we should try our best to apply the habits of green technology in our daily life. For instance, lowering your PC brightness, the volume, recycling use plastic bottles, choosing a sustainability mobility, or plant a tree every day. Just like us, we have used our own production to maximize the uses of kitchen waste and reducing negative impact towards our nature.
Back with me again. Our tasks were given by Miss Alice, our Form 5 biology teacher. On 19th of July 2022, Miss Alice passed us a task to complete it and submit it on time. On 21st of July 2022, our group made first ever discussion, and we divide the task into each part equally so that each person can do individual and we can submit it on time. On 11th of August 2022, our group submit our assessment to biology teacher. Lastly, on 15th of August 2022, we submit our experiment to our biology teacher, Miss Alice. Thank you.